Hi, I'm Aditya Tripathi. I'm currently pursuing my MBA from Somaiya Institute of Management. I'm in the batch of 2024 and 2026. So YUMI Analytics is a software by BARC, which is the Broadcast Audience Research Council of India. Well, it is an advanced tool designed for analyzing viewership data, providing key insights into audience behavior, advertisement effectiveness, and media consumption patterns. It serves as a powerful resource for media agencies, broadcasters, advertisers, and even research institutes, helping them navigate this dynamic media landscape effectively. Now, personally as a marketing student, understanding tools like YUMI Analytics is essential because despite the rise of digital platforms, majority of people still do watch traditional television. In fact, Meta, which is the parent company of Facebook, also advertises on television. So analyzing viewing patterns along with advertisement data is crucial for designing effective advertising strategies, staying ahead of the competition in this industry. Now, for getting hands-on experience with YUMI Analytics now as an MBA student, I guess it's an incredible advantage because it allows us to develop practical skills. It adds an analytical mindset to the learning environment, and it also helps in making the transition to using such tools in the corporate career far smoother and much more impactful.